There's a uniform that's hanging in what's known as father's room. A uniform so simple in its style. It's got no braid of gold or silk, no hat with feather plume, yet me mother has preserved it all the while. One day she made me try it on, a wish of mine for years. In memory of your father, dear, she said. And when I put the Sam Brown on, she was smiling through her tears as she placed the broad black Brimmer on me head.
It's just the broad black Brimmer, ribbons frayed and torn by the careless whisk of many's a mountain breeze. An old trench coat that's a battle stained and worn, and breeches almost threadbare at the knees. A Sam Brown belt with a buckle big and strong, a holster that's been empty many's a day. But not for long. But when then came Ireland's freedom, the one should choose to lead them all wear the broad black Brimmer of the IRA.
It was the uniform been worn by me father long ago, when he reached me mother's homestead on the run. It was the uniform been worn in that little church below. Now Father Mac, he blessed the pair as one. After truce and treaty and the parting of the ways, he wore it when he marched out with the rest.
And the best.
And when they bore his body down that rugged heather braes, they placed the broad black Brimmer on his breast.
It's just the broad black Brimmer, ribbons frayed and torn by the careless whisk of many's a mountain breeze. An old trench coat that's a battle stained and worn, and breeches almost threadbare at the knees. A Sam Brown belt with a buckle big and strong, and a holster that's been empty many's a day.
But not for long.
But when then came Ireland's freedom, the one should choose to lead them will wear the broad black Brimmer of the IRA.
There's a uniform that's hanging in what's known as father's room, a uniform so simple in its style. It's got no braid of gold or silk, no hat with feather plume, yet me mother has preserved it all the while. One day she made me try it on, a wish of mine for years. In memory of your father, dear, she said. And when I put the Sam Brown on, she was smiling through her tears as she placed the broad black Brimmer on me head.
It's just the broad black Brimmer, ribbons frayed and torn by the careless whisk of many's a mountain breeze. An old trench coat that's a battle stained and worn, and breeches almost threadbare